friends, welcome to Fun on Farm. Today we are going to meet some amazing animals who lives right here. So, are you ready? Let's go. First up, we have Betsy the Cow. Cows like Betsy's are gentle giants. They give us delicious milk that we can drink and use to make cheese, butter, and yogurt. Did you know cows has 4 stomachs to help them digest their food? Wow, that's a lot of stomachs. Next, let's meet Shaun the Sheep. Sheep are covered in soft wool that keep them warm. Farmers shear the wool off in the summer to make some cozy sweaters and blankets. And guess what? Sheep have an amazing memory for faces just like humans. Now, let's say hi to Porky the Pig. Pigs are super smart and can learn tricks just like dogs. They love to roll in mud to keep cool because they don't sweat like we do. Mud baths are their favorite things. Quack quack, here comes the ducks. Ducks have waterproof feathers that keep them dry when they swim. They have webbed feet that make them excellent swimmers, and they always seem so happy, don't they? And galloping by our friend Hank the horse. Horses are strong and fast. They have helped farmers for centuries by pulling plows and carrying heavy loads. They also love to run and play in wide open spaces. Look over there, it's the Clucky and her friends, the chickens. Chickens lay eggs almost every day. Their eggs can be white, brown, or even blue. Chicken loves to scratch the ground to find tasty bugs and seeds to eat. Last but not the least, meet Nibbles the goat. Goats are very curious and will try to nibble on just about anything. They have special rectangular pupils that give them great vision to spot tasty plants, and they can climb almost anything. We have met so many wonderful animals today. Each one is special and helps the farm in their own way. Thanks for joining us on this farm adventure. We will see you next time for more fun on farm. Bye for now.